you can make a decision for your strategy, develop marketing plan. So now we are ready with strategy. Product strategy. I told you clearly that product is not just a product, but product is something which can offer you something, which can satisfy your need, which can satisfy your desire, which can solve the problem. Is by you. When we make strategy when we have options. If we don't have options, then there is no need to make a kind of strategy. You can straight away go for that. No other alternatives. Product variety. How much variety should be there? It should be more or it should be less? What is your opinion about variety? Can somebody tell me? If you are ready with the
question, sir.
huh?
What's a specific question, sir? Means product variety.
How much variety you should have? You should have more variety or you should have less variety?
I think less variety is fine because it's much better to make better choices with small varieties. Too many is actually confusing.
You are right, but partial. And that is the reason I am telling you how I have started. I started with case study, that Corona, COVID-19, and Smart Vital, how they have targeted, and all kind of thing. Then I talked about core concept. Then I talked about STP, means targeting. So please understand, here we are discussing marketing strategy in terms of 4P, product strategy, pricing strategy, promotion strategy, and place strategy, that is distribution strategy. But it cannot be generic. It will be specific when you make looking to your target audience. So all depends upon your target market and your product. If your target market is not variety seeking target market, then you should not provide much variety. As you told, it can create confused pattern in the mind of the people. And even providing more variety is costly because it can increase your setup cost. Manufacturing cost will be increased. But if your market is variety seeking market and your competitors are providing a lot of variety, then probably you need to provide more variety. That's why it is strategy. So I'm just coming to you. Say for example, in Surat textile market, most of the products are related to female. Sari, dress material. So much of variety. Almost all the people are providing. So you need to provide. But there are examples like Mercedes, for many years they have not provided much variety. Long black car. But nowadays Mercedes is providing a lot of variety. Because in competition, Audi, BMW are providing a lot of variety. So it depends upon your target market and competition. How much variety you need to provide. Yes, sir.
Yeah, variety is on one end of one face of the coin, but other side, I would prefer something where I get, according to my requirements, like some kind of customization. If I get that flexibility, I'll be more happy compared to only, some varieties as such.
Sir, please understand one thing, Jay, it all depends upon your target market, I told you. There are many companies who come out with the product which are customized. Even, see, we have come out with the word tailor-made.
Tailor, yeah.
Because we have tailors, right? Darji hota hai. So, there are many people like me who buy branded clothes directly from the market. But still, there are many people in our area, in the market, who still prefer to go to tailor and go for a kind of customization. And that sort of products are available in almost all the market, even in car. In Mercedes Maybach, Daimler Chrysler. Maybach is more customized, like, you know. And still in the market, like, there are people who provide designer car, designer bikes. Mano Chabra. So they convert normal car into customized car by making changes. So it all, and for them, market segment may be small, but it can give you that market segment can give them enough revenue they'll expect it. That's all. So it all up to you. How much, in which market you want to put.
Okay, sir. I think what you are saying is from the producer's point of view, the one who is producing the product or service. But what I was talking is in terms of me as a customer when I go to buy a product or experience a product or service. What I look for. That way I was looking for.
No, sir. Please understand that. See. For example, I am a manufacturer, and I don't want to go for customization of product. Then I will not bother about you because you are not in my target market. That's all, khatam. See, Dove is manufacturing premium soap. Is Dove is worrying for Lifebuoy? No, because Lifebuoy is a different segment, right?
Yes.
When Mercedes, is Mercedes worrying about mid-size sedan produced by Honda City or produced by अपना क्या बोलते हैं Maruti Suzuki? No, because that is a different market segment. I'm not worrying about that segment. I'm only worrying about premium segment. That's all. There are companies who want to attract customization loving people. They worry about them. Not all the people. Okay. Let's move ahead. Quality. Quality is also perceptive. Quality is different for different people. Quality comes with price, and that is why it is strategic. I still remember I used to share with my participants, students. I was traveling in a train, like, sitting in a first class compartment with my MBA colleague, and I used to talk. I was talking about, I think, mineral waters. Now, at that time, one of the NGO, I don't want to name, brought some issues related to mineral water, that some impurities are there and all kind of thing. And we were discussing about quality of mineral water. And after some time, the guy, mid-age guy sitting with us, asked my name, and then he has praised us that we were discussing really nicely. Then he has asked me, what do you mean by quality? So I studied engineering, of production engineering. So I given big fundas of quality. There are two kind of quality: quality of conformance and quality of performance, and all kind of thing. Like just like a normal topper used to give. So I given, and he has told me that. Do you know the price of water in US? Well, I don't know. Around $5. So if you convert that into Indian rupees, around 250 at that time. Then what is the raw material in US? Well, I don't know. What is the raw material in any, say, Gujarat GIDC, like, Then he discussed many things, and actually he happened to be senior vice president of one of the Japanese venture in India. Crystal Silva, I still remember. I forgot the name of that person. And of course, afterwards, he has offered me job also. That guy is told that, like, ROI, return on investment. I want to produce the best quality mineral water in India. But then I need to deploy a lot of investment in that, acquire a lot of technology, and then it will increase the cost of that particular water, packaged water, to say, for example, 200. So he has asked me a simple question. There exists any market in India who can buy mineral water for 200 at a time in 2000? Absolutely not. I cannot say impossible, but very difficult. Because at that time, the packaged water costing around 10 rupees. He has told that what is the value here, that if you have, nowadays of course our railway stations are improved a lot. At the time, like, if you have a tap water on the platform with a lot of impurities, it can harm you. And what we are providing at 10 rupees, much more better water than that. That's all. And for that we are charging 10 rupees. So it's all debatable. Please understand that. As I told you that the Dow market is different market. For them quality is different. And Lifebuoy market, for them quality is different everywhere. In car market, Honda City is having a different market segment. In around 12 lakh rupees, the kind of quality they provide is suitable to that particular target market. But Mercedes, BMW market is totally different. So Honda City market audience cannot expect the quality of Mercedes in 12 to 13 lakh rupees. That is altogether different thing. Same thing is design, like, a different kind of design, and you have to think of your own capacity, your research team, R&D. So for example, in car, like, different innovations are there, normal gear box, manual gearbox cars are there. Then you have automatic transmission. Even in automatic transmission, you can have DCT, that is dual clutch technology. Just now I am having MG Hector Plus DCT technology car with me. It is automatic. But then in automatic transmission, you have even CVT also, that is continuous variable transmission. Then you have AMT, that is automated manual transmission. That manual gearbox is there, but with automation. So what kind of design you want to provide? Even they got hybrid nowadays, electric cars are coming up. Even MG Hector, like, they got hybrid. So up to some speed, like, it uses petrol, but afterwards it charges battery. So your fuel consumption can be optimized. So different design, but different price tag. Features, again, same. We love to have a lot of features, but features comes with price. So you need to understand your target market, how much feature they want at particular price, and accordingly you have to provide features in your product. Brand name. Now many people will say that, naam mein kya rakha hai? See, in marketing, like, branding is something very important. I taught full-length subject on branding. I guided many PhD in branding. People carry forward success story. I can go on talking about branding for hours, but here in 1 or 2 minutes I will give you. So for example, Fevicol. Now Fevicol has got success story. So when they come out with innovative product, quick setting epoxy resin, they've used success story of Fevicol. So they have taken Fevi word from that and they have given to this product, which is quick setting epoxy resin, Fevikwik. Now you see Fevikwik is again a successful brand. They got Fevistick. So everywhere they are using that word Fevi. Even, like, I'm sorry to say, like, I cannot say that we are crazy about English, but yeah, still, India is a country, most of the Asian countries, like, people love speaking in English, and that is a culture. And we love foreign things, like, So, of course, I cannot generalize. In many Ayurvedic products nowadays, you have Indian traditional name. Even say, for example, in clothing and all that, in Indian traditional clothes, we have a brand called Manyavar. But most of the time we find that the English flavor is there in branding. Now the ITC has come out with kind of food products like biscuits. So they could have given name Surya biscuits, but they have given Sunfist. Tomorrow, if I decide to become entrepreneur, there are many people who tell me that you are engineer, MBA, PhD in innovation, you should become entrepreneur. I don't know, maybe one day I can, but just now that risk-taking ability is not there. So when I started my journey from slum-like area, I don't want to go back. So if I earn enough money and once I get settled, I may think of entrepreneurship, but not. Because entrepreneurship requires so many things. I talked about enterprising tendency also in last session. Now, if I start my own, say for example, I am from Surat just now, so I'm staying in Surat. So, textile hub, big textile hub. I may start my own, say maybe fashion garment companies. If I give name Hemant, the chances of getting the jeans and t-shirts and all that, I don't think that Hemant name will, because my name is Hemant, Hemant name will be a good brand. But if I keep Bulls, redefining the food, Bulls is something English flavor, Of course, many of my students call me Bulls only, Dr. Bulls. They've written a blog on me, on my sessions and all that, and they've given me name Bulls. So it's just like that, okay. Then packaging, it's required for holding, preservation, protection, all that, but even providing active style. Good packaging can increase your sale. It's like, we get up in the morning and we dress ourselves. For this particular session, I decided the color of shirt yesterday night, which blazer I need to wear. That's all, because that is the only visible thing in online sessions. But of course, I'm having nice shoes, everything. But when I have to go to real life conferences offline, things will be different. So that is packaging. So packaging is actually lab. And so many design, like say for example, if you remember that oil ka dabba, पत्रे का आता था tin base. It's very difficult to open many a times. But nowadays you find plastic containers. It has got self-lubricating properties, easy to open, convenience in handling, in pouring. During your childhood, we used to have toothpaste, shaving cream, but normal, what you can say, cap. Now we are a bigger cap, easy to open. It generates more torques because area is more. You must have seen say for example, screwdriver. To increase the grip, increase the torque, providing more power, आप उसके ऊपर कुछ लगाया गया and then you did. So easy to open. Somebody some student told me that easy to find. Because in the morning you are in hurry and then the cap is lost. When the small cap is easily very difficult to be located. So this bigger cap can be easily found. Then even your wash basin is bigger, but the space for putting something is very less. So this tube can be easily put in a vertical direction. So it can actually take less space, less area, only pi r square. Then sizes, I still remember when I was a child, we didn't have much shampoo and kind of thing because shampoo were available in a bigger pack and that is costly. So normal bathing soap Lifebuoy we used to wash our hair. Then over a period of time, the concept of sachet has come into picture. That 1 rupees a pouch. So that is not costly. So the product is same shampoo only, but with different size you can increase. Right? If you see, so for example, Himalaya Navratna Tel, Thanda Cool. Many times, like you feel like I don't want to buy big bottle, but at least you can have a try. So with same product, you can increase your target. Services now is integrated part of product strategy. After sales service, training, all kind of thing. If your service is not good, though your product is of better quality, sometimes you lose customer. Warranties can give psychological advantage. You feel secure. Otherwise, I know. See, for example, earlier we have heard about like World Cup to World Cup, Onida TV example, old example. World Cup to World Cup in the 4 years, 4 साल. But please understand one thing that normally Onida TV never get a problem in 4 years because they have designed the things in a appropriate manner. But still, that warranty gives psychological advantage. Returns, if you don't like, you can return in 15 days and all that. But of course, you need to understand ethical aspects in your target market. Otherwise, it should not happen that, you have a party, you ask for speaker, you buy speaker, you enjoy speaker, and the next day you say that I didn't like it and you return, then that is a problem. Okay, fine. So now let's talk about pricing setting. List price is MRP. Again, you need to think of your target market. I'm repeating target market, but again and again, I'm banging. That's something very important. So looking to your target market, you need to decide your MRP. Because more than MRP, nobody will pay. Arm length price hona chahiye. There are so many other aspects of pricing strategy that we cannot discuss here, that require hours. Various kind of discounts, payment method, terms. If you buy today and provide cash today, I will give you 20% discount. But if you pay me in 1 month, I will provide you 10% discount only. If you pay me in 3 months, I will provide you only 5% discount. And if you pay after 3 months, then I will not provide any discount. Even in pricing, things are not mentioned over here by Kotler. Something called price penetration and price skimming. Price penetration means putting your branded product at a very less price compared to market, competitors available in market. Earlier, Micromax has done that. Now, it can give you a lot of revenue and people may try your product, but the problem is perception. People may perceive that your product may be of low quality. And afterwards, increasing price will be very, very difficult. Price skimming, if you are very much innovative, every year you are, bringing some new innovative features in your product, like iPhone, and you have got very good brand equity, then you can go for price skimming. You can put the product at a very high price, and by the time other people copy your product, you earn a lot of revenue out of the market. Now let's talk about one of the most important strategy, promotion strategy. It is all about communication. Sales promotion. In sales promotion, you can have basically 2 kind of category: consumer promotion and trade promotion. Consumer promotion, you are very much aware. Ek ke upar ek free, 30% extra, toothbrush free on buying of toothpaste, and so on. Goa ka tour, all kind of providing discounts. So in favor of consumer. Basically, sales promotion is what? Sales promotion is basically push strategy. Somehow you want to push your product in the market. Maybe you want to go for a sales clear, stock clearance. So during Diwali, you want to have new stocks. So before that, in monsoon season, you want to clear the existing old stock. Maybe your product is new and you want to create trial of that. There's something called attention, interest, desire, evolution, and finally people go for adoption. But you need to create attention, create awareness, create desire. That will bring trial of the product. And finally, evolution will be there. And if your evolution of your product is good, then people may buy again, adopt your product, repeat purchase. Because one-time purchase is not enough. Repeat purchase is something very important. But for new product, at least one-time purchase is required. People should try it out. So for that, sales promotion is important. Somehow you want to push your product in the market. It's a push today. Consumer promotion, I told you, in favor of consumer. Trade promotion in favor of traders, retailers, distributors, and all that. During this Diwali time, if you sell our product in this much of quantity, then we provide Singapore tour for your family. There may be display allowances. I will put your product in display. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So whenever people look at the product in display, they buy. So you may ask for display allowances from the distributors, from the manufacturer. You may have signboard. You may provide, you have seen, must have seen like refrigerator provided by Coke and Pepsi. So it can advertise Pepsi or Coke and it can serve the purpose for the retailer also. That he is going to get free fridge and so on. Now sales promotion is push strategy. Advertising is basically push strategy. Again, I can go on talking about advertising for hours, but here in 1 or 2 minutes, we'll try to complete because time is running away. Maybe in 10, 12 minutes, we have to complete everything. Advertising is basically pull strategy. If you create very good advertisement, then you can pull the customer. And when you pull the customer, naturally you have bargaining power with retailers and you may provide low discount or even may not be providing any discount. And even for sales promotion, some sort of advertisement is required because people should be able to know that there is some kind of sales promotion available. Basically, when we talk about advertisement, two kind of main things are there: media strategy and message strategy. Media strategy and message strategy. Remember, media strategy, electronic media, print media, and so on. Basically, when we talk about electronic media, is low involvement media, television, radio. As soon as advertisement comes now, we change the channel. So over there, you need to create short copy of advertisement, and you need to convey your message very fast. Maybe you have to take very good brand ambassador, so people may get attracted toward that brand ambassador and buy. Print media is high involvement media. When you are free and when you want to buy a big product like car and all that, then you always want to go for. Hello. So now. In print media, you can compare, comparison between two political parties, comparison between two car and kind of thing. Things are available on internet also nowadays, on website also now, right? So that's all about media. And in media, again, you have media vehicles. Say, for example, television. So television में कहाँ? Sports channel or Star Plus. Sports channel at a time of cricket. At a time of cricket, then again, when? At the time of replay. So there may be, advertisement, maybe related to insurance. Caption will be there. Scrolling. There is no action replay in life. Insure yourself. There's a spin view, I still remember. The ball is getting turned. And there is a caption. Life can take any kind of turn. Insure yourself. And so on. Okay? Clear? Extra inning sponsored by Extra Long Life Battery. Amron. Theory of association. Extra inning, extra long life battery. In the case of media strategy, various kind of appeal, fear appeal, humorous appeal, and fear appeal, insurance, insure yourself. Even public interest advertisement like Corona COVID, Marks Pehno. Lots of slogans are there. And then, because I've been told to cut. Personal selling in real estate and all that in industrial marketing, a lot of personal selling is going on. You can write sales letter to my company and how much order you get, you can measure. And last part, case strategy, that distribution strategy is all about convenience, channels, distribution channels can be practically judged like the base of intensity, exclusive, is Raymond showroom, that 5 kilometer area, selling only Raymond. Selective to 3 brands to 3 outlets. In terms of distribution, say for example in medicines, we try to cover almost all medical outlets available in that area, and even that medical outlets we try to cover almost all the brands available in the medical shop. 0 level channel, 1 level channel, 3 level channel, that is the channel between manufacturer and customer. Distributor dealers, retailers, wholesalers, and so on. Coverage. You want to cover it Surat or whole Gujarat or whole India, depends upon your resources, depends upon your target market. Assortment. You cannot sell all kind of models or places. High-end mobile phone like of 0.5 lakhs or something like that. You can sell in Surat like premium city, but not in villages. It's difficult. Okay, likewise. Location where you want to keep near a tourism place, near sea beach, or maybe in a city, maybe near market, whatever. And inventory. I already talked about inventory, that should not be stocked out and that should not be over inventory. Otherwise, it will carry inventory carrying costs. And last part is transportation highways, costly, but very costly, and even accessibility. Not all the places have airports. Waterways, inland waterways, seaways, cargo services from all over the world. Pipelines, gas pipelines. Then you have the railways, comparatively cheaper. But the cheapest is roadways, but it may be delayed due to accident, rain, and strikes, and so many kind of things. So I think I have covered almost everything in innovation diffusion through marketing. How you can spread innovation. We started with core concept of marketing. Then we have talked about STP, that is segmentation, targeting, positioning, how to target market, how to position. Then we understood how to carry out marketing research, and then finally we have discussed product strategy, price strategy, promotion strategy, and place strategy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Hemant Balsara ji, for engaging 2 back-to-back sessions in our FDP. Now, if the participants, if you have any questions, you can just.
I have a small query, sir.
Yes, sir, please. Our resource person is here to answer your queries.
Thank you, sir, for your kind talks. After your first talk, I was about to ask a question and the power has gone. So I hope it will not go now. I need some help from you. In fact, in the morning talk, you were talking about entrepreneurship. So I want some material where I can really, without much effort, understand the concepts of entrepreneurship. Can you suggest some PPTs, or if you have some, can you help us, sir?
Sir, see, if you go to technopreneur.net, okay, or nstdb.com, Government of India website, basically a time portal, then they have got lots of free resources on that website. Okay.
No, sir. I just want quickly, because I have to prepare for an interview within a week's time. So I don't have time. If you can suggest 1 or 2 good.
You can go for Basant Desai.
Okay.
Dynamics of Entrepreneurship by Dr. Basant Desai.
Okay, sir.
This is one of the best book available in India.
Yeah.
In a very informative manner and very, very simple language is there.
Yes, sir.
Dynamics of Entrepreneurship by Basant Desai. I have copy. I can show you. No, I'm not having this now. Yeah. But old one I have got.
Yeah.
But the new
Thank you,
version
sir.
New version is very much there now. So you can buy the latest version, and it is
Yes,
not
sir.
that costly, around I think 500-600. You can buy
Yeah.
from Amazon. No problem.
Yeah. Second thing is, on startups, do you suggest any books, sir? Startups.
Please understand one thing, that startup is a new word, like it's a fashionable word given by our government and like many media. Like
Yes,
startup
sir.
is nothing like this. Say I have discussed all startups, like that Arvind Lamba startup, Mantis Technology, right? I talked about Oral Health Textile Limited. So startup is nothing but it's like entrepreneurship only. So when you
Okay,
read
sir.
this particular book, though, almost everything you will find, even in that they have given a chart how to go about that.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, idea generation to new